Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Tkaczuk for RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. What I'd like to do is talk about the equity markets. And the equity markets continue to go higher. And we continue to see great institutional support in this market. And what I mean is last Monday we had a pretty bad sell-off. While the equity markets were rising pretty high, they undercut their 20-day. Immediately within 2 days, the markets recovered, and now we're moving back to highs. That's a very good sign. So thus far in the S&P 500, not until we touch back to 3,000 when I start getting concerned. I mean, it's a bull market, and you got to let things work for you and continue to let them ride. Same with the Nasdaq. Nasdaq's way up there, not until, let's say, crashes below the 8,200. We want to be really concerned that something's gone terribly wrong. Same with the Dow Jones Industrials. We stay above 27,000. The market's probably still good to go. Now, another thing happened last week is the Russell 2000, which has been lagging all the markets. It's a small cap index, and a sign of risk on. That broke into a new 52-week high, and it's holding up there. And that's, again, a good sign that not only institutions supporting the market, but they're starting to take a little bit more risk by going into the more risky so-called speculative small cap stocks. Now, we've talked about the various hot sectors lately, namely the biotechs over the last weeks have been doing very strong. The software sectors, few select stocks have been coming up where a lot of them have gotten beaten up. You know, we see good stocks like Shopify acting very well, or DocuSign, symbol DOCU, or Cloudera, symbol CLDR. All these stocks are moving into highs. So you want to keep your eyes on stocks like that. We also talked about the financial sectors doing very well. So all in all, things are going very well, and the whole point of this message is we're in a bull market. We're going to get pullbacks. Every time the market gets a little bit extended away, the indices from their 10 or 20 days, they're going to come back, they're going to undercut them and look to see if they bounce. And that's pretty much what you're going to see in an uptrend. It's not going to be perfectly straight up. So what are the plays when you're in a market like this? You basically, if you have positions working for you, you want to sit and hold, let them work, give them some room to work. You don't want to get chopped up or try to make dimes and nickels on the small trades when the bigger trend is up. So, but as always, let price and volume be your guide. Watch your stops, watch your danger zones, and have a great week trading. This is George Tkaczuk from RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. Have a great trading week.